Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to The Journey Cars. My name's Tyrell. Today I'm going to be showing you a few tips regarding insurance and renewals. A frequent question I do get asked a lot working in the insurance industry is how do I get a cheaper quotation for my insurance? Stay tuned to watch this video and you will find out. Tip number 1. I would say to anybody who asks the question of how to get a better insurance price, you want to use your renewal time effectively. You've got a 30-day period to try and get better quotes for your current policy. You want to call your current insurer to try and find out what they're offering for you, what their renewal price is. If you're unhappy with that price they're quoting you, there's options. You can call other insurance companies, try get a better deal through them. Alternatively, you can go online, comparison sites, compare the market, confused.com. There's a number of them out there. You can get multiple quotes at one time. You can filter the options through annual prices, or if you prefer to pay monthly, there's options there too. So you need to use that time effectively initially. 30-day period. You don't want to wait till the last week, last couple of days to try and get a renewal quote, and then you're struggling because you've got to insure the vehicle which you're currently driving and you may have to pay more without planning. You want to speak to the insurance company. If the current insurer is right for you, you're happy with their perks, add-ons, customer services, what you want to do is try and get a few quotations from competitors, see if your current policy can match or even beat your renewal quotation you're getting. After you've spoken to the insurance about that, you want to just double check if you have a dashcam on your vehicle or if you're planning to get a dashcam anytime soon. Some insurance companies actually reduce your renewals. Well, not even your renewals, they reduce your overall quotation because you have a dashcam fitted on your vehicle. Similar with the multi-car discount, it's just slightly different. You want to speak to the insurer and see if they can offer you any other products, as in life insurance, vet insurance, home insurance. See if they can do you a bulk bundle, and they can usually offer you a bigger discount because they're getting more business from yourself. And instead of individually paying through these policies separately, you can do it all in one place. That's equally saving you time and hopefully saving you money. Overall, if your main focus regarding insurance and policies isn't about the price, you're more focused on the service levels you'll be receiving, the actual policy entitlements and the add-ons you'll be provided by that policy, the main thing you want to do is speak to them, see what they can offer you, check their reviews. Don't go on their own website for reviews, go on independent websites, see what they've actually given people in the past, see what experiences they've faced, and then you can go from there with that insurer. So there it is, Tyrell's top tips regarding insurances and renewals. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did get any value from it, give us a thumbs up, a like and a share, and follow us on the social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, and on our website. There's more to come. Thank you.